Good morning from our beautiful home in Bali.
And since we have so much room here compared to our typical hotel rooms, we want to make the most of it. So we're starting our morning with a little workout on the rooftop.
Let's go. Good job.
Oh, nice. We are done. That is going to hurt tomorrow.
Yeah, that was such an intense workout, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
And I'm definitely not used to these kind of movements, so that will hurt for sure.
For sure. I think now it's time to cool down.
Yeah, let's go. We have a small problem with the villa we are staying in, or rather a big problem for us. It's the cleanliness. But we have spoken to the caretaker and they agreed to do a deep clean thoroughly again. So fingers crossed that they do it right this time.
Yeah, so in the meantime, we have maybe 4 or 5 hours where we have to leave the villa so that they can do their cleaning. And our first plan was to walk to Canggu, but it is actually raining. So we found a cafe that's close by, and hopefully we'll just wait out the rain and it gets a bit better. But let's see where the next 5 hours takes us.
Exactly.
Go. So we've obviously stayed in far worse accommodations with a much lower kind of state of cleanliness. So I guess this is what €10 a night in Sri Lanka gets you. And that's not our first frog, and probably isn't going to be our last. I just hope this one stays in the bathroom, not like the other one. But for the price that we're paying for this place, we feel like it should be cleaner, and we're not really being that picky still.
No, we're not arguing that the plates are not clean. We have seen that before in other places too. That's not the worst, but it's more that the shower or the drain is blocked because there is hair, there is even a plaster.
Used plasters and everything. Yeah, so it's that kind of cleanliness, and also not even soap in the bathrooms to wash your hands. And when we paid €10 a night, we've gotten soap and we've gotten it replaced daily. So it's just kind of things like that that make us stay more comfortable. And we are staying here for a couple of nights as well. So it's not something that we can like just deal with for a night or two. This is going to be much longer. So let's see what happens later.
Yeah.
But I'm actually excited to get to this cafe now and get like a drink, smoothie or something.
I would definitely get a coffee. We haven't had one.
I made you one this morning.
Oh yeah, I forgot about it. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Let's enjoy the coffee.
We are still waiting for the beach weather.
Although I'm not sure if we will get it today.
Yeah, I'm not so confident anymore either. So instead we decided to get some food. So we got this gluten-free pomodoro pasta.
Enjoy, cheers.
Simple but tasty. The food was nice and that restaurant was nice and cozy, but we just stayed there for too long. We needed to get out. So we're going to chance walking to a grocery store, but the weather is not looking so good.
I hope it's getting better, but I don't think so. Not today, at least.
Just hope we make it. How far did we make it?
200 meters?
If even.
Yeah, if even.
And now we're under shelter because it is very heavy rain.
But now we're like in the between thing. We're too far away from the restaurant that we were before. And we are too far away definitely from everything else. So
yeah, we're
just gonna stay here
under the shelter for now. Good thing I got my swimsuit on because I was expecting to go to the beach. I tried to get a grab, but it cancelled on us at the end. So Rain has stopped. We're gonna try and make it. We're gonna run. Your legs are covered in dirt.
Yeah, I didn't make the right decision for the shoes.
For this weather, no.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, we made it almost back to our house.
Yeah, we decided to get a grab on the way back, and not even because of the weather, but Bali is terrifying to walk in. This place is quieter than others, but honestly, it's terrifying. I think way more dangerous than bikes and everything. Don't want to do that again.
Yeah.
They just come so close. But anyway, we made it safe and sound, so I can't wait to get back to our villa and check it out.
I think it's this one.
Oh, woohoo, it's clean.
Yeah, it's definitely way better, and we're happy with their response.
Yeah, they were really nice about it, so I'm thinking they just ran out of time yesterday.
Probably.
And now we bought some bits from the shop, so we're going to cook ourselves some dinner tonight. There you go.
Thank you.
Cheers to our home cooked meal.
Yeah, cheers.